Hey folks, the newest high-end drone from DJI has landed, and with it comes the natural question, how does the Mavic 4 Pro compare to the much-praised Mavic 3 Pro? When DJI released the Mavic 3 Pro in 2023, it was widely regarded as the best folding drone for serious photographers and videographers. It offered a powerful triple camera system, compact design, and top-tier image quality, earning a full 5-star rating in our initial review. Fast forward to 2024, and DJI has built on that solid foundation with the launch of the Mavic 4 Pro. This new flagship drone not only refines the formula, but also introduces meaningful upgrades that push its capabilities further. From a new front-facing LiDAR system to a more advanced camera setup, the Mavic 4 Pro arrives as an evolution rather than a reinvention. The Mavic 4 Pro debuted on May 13th, priced at £1,879 for the drone on its own and £2,459 for the Fly More combo, which includes 2 extra intelligent flight batteries, the DJI RC2 controller, and other essential accessories. However, DJI confirmed that the Mavic 4 Pro won't be immediately available in the United States, likely due to ongoing tariff complications, though they are reportedly exploring potential solutions. Compared to its predecessor, the Mavic 4 Pro comes in at a slightly heavier 1,063 grams, up from the Mavic 3 Pro's 958 grams. Both drones exceed the 250-gram threshold that invokes stricter drone operation rules in the UK, but this added weight contributes to better wind resistance and longer battery life. Despite its heft, the Mavic 4 Pro's redesigned airframe feels sleeker and more aerodynamic, contributing to enhanced stability and performance in flight. One neat new touch is the drone's automatic startup when unfolded, streamlining the launch process. A standout new feature is the Mavic 4 Pro's front-facing LiDAR system. This addition dramatically improves obstacle sensing and object recognition in low-light environments thanks to 6 new low-light vision sensors. Users can even view a live feed from these sensors in a corner of their controller screen, a significant step forward from the Mavic 3 Pro, which struggled in darker conditions. On the camera front, both drones feature triple lens setups designed to offer versatility across different shooting scenarios. The Mavic 3 Pro comes equipped with a 20-megapixels 4x3 CMOS Hasselblad main camera, 24mm equivalent, a 48-megapixels 1x1.3-inch CMOS medium telephoto lens, 70mm equivalent, and a 12-megapixels half-inch telephoto camera with a 166mm equivalent focal length. The Mavic 4 Pro, on the other hand, improves on this lineup with a 100-megapixels 4x3 CMOS Hasselblad camera at a slightly wider 28mm equivalent, a 48-megapixels 1x1.3-inch medium telecamera, 72mm equivalent, and a 50-megapixels 1.5-inch CMOS telephoto camera with a 168mm focal length. While the differences in focal lengths may seem minor, the enhancements in image quality are more significant. The Mavic 4 Pro supports full D-Log color instead of D-Log M, offering improved dynamic range and post-processing flexibility. Its upgraded raw image capture and a more flexible gimbal system make it easier to shoot vertical 9:16 video, catering to the growing demand for social media-ready content like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikToks. Battery life is another area where the Mavic 4 Pro clearly pulls ahead. The Mavic 3 Pro's 5,000 mAh battery supported up to 43 minutes of flight time and 37 minutes of hovering. The Mavic 4 Pro bumps this up considerably with a 6,654 mAh battery that delivers up to 51 minutes of flight and 45 minutes of hovering, an impressive gain that can be especially valuable on longer shoots. Ultimately, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro builds meaningfully on everything that made the Mavic 3 Pro a standout drone. It introduces real-world improvements in low-light performance, battery life, and video flexibility, making it the better choice for professionals who need the latest and greatest. However, for existing Mavic 3 Pro owners, the generational leap in image quality may not be enough to justify the upgrade. But if you're starting fresh or stepping up from an older model, the Mavic 4 Pro offers a compelling array of upgrades for just around £200 more than its predecessor. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new generation of drone? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.